Hi everyone, this is PE with Mr.V, and today we are doing an isometric workout. This is the second isometric workout we are doing. If you would like to see the first one, you can click on it here. Remember that isometric means, ISO means the same metric distance, so the same distance basically means that we're holding certain positions. This is a tiny bit different than the yoga workout that we did yesterday where we're more stretching our muscles. Now we're tensing our muscles, but you can't see any movement basically, okay? A wall sit, for example, or a plank is a very typical isometric exercise. Let's get started. For today's workout, you'll need an exercise mat, a water bottle, and a wall where there's nothing hanging on. So basically this wall will not be able to do, but this one can. So just a free wall. We'll be using the same format as we always do, a 1 minute warm up, followed by 1 minute of active stretching, 12 minutes of the actual workout, and then 3 minutes of passive stretching at the end. So I hope you're ready because we are about to get started. Okay, very low impact warming up, just jogging where you are. There's no need to really warm up heavily because we're not really moving, we're just holding positions, if you remember. Okay, just gentle jumps, 2 feet together. Front and back. Side. Twist. Open, close. Straddle. And ready. Excellent. Okay, now for active stretching, just going to stretch to the side, reach as far as you can. Very good. Twisting that upper body without moving your feet. Touch your toes. Very good. Swing up those legs. Crossed as well, so left hand goes to your right foot. Very good. And one H1, you go down and back up. Perfect. We are ready to go. Okay, our first exercise is the elbow plank. So very simple. On your elbows, on your feet, straight back, and hold it. Keep on breathing. Well done. It's normal if you start shaking, so don't worry about that. But just make sure that you keep on breathing because your muscles obviously need oxygen. Okay, our next one is the glute bridge, but we're going to do it with only one leg. So, glute bridge means this. Okay, so make a bridge, and these are our glutes, which we're training. Sorry, our bum basically. These are our hamstrings. But we're only going to use one leg. So one leg goes on top, and we go up. And relax. Well done. Now we're going to go into our other leg. Okay, so you just cross it on top. And then we'll go up again. Try to hold it as high as you can, but keep on breathing. It's very easy to forget that. And then you just block your breathing and all of a sudden, you have to breathe a lot. Just relax and keep on breathing. Think happy thoughts. Ready? Well done. Very good. We are going to the wall now for our wall sit. So make sure it's a wall with nothing behind you. And we're going to sit in a straight angle. So here, straight angle, back against the wall. No cheating with your hands. Your hands are going to go here, okay? In 5 seconds. Ready? Back to the mat. This time we're going to do a one-armed plank. So this was the plank. So now we put one hand slightly more in the middle and just one hand. Okay? It's quite tough, to be honest. So if it gets too tough for the 30 seconds, just rest before or put your knees on the floor for a couple of seconds and then try it again. Ready? Very good. Wow, did you feel that? That was quite tough, huh? Okay, ready for the other hand now. Just relax. Just maybe loosen up your shoulders a bit. We're ready for the left hand now. Don't exaggerate, don't put your hand too much to the middle neither, otherwise you put a lot of strain on your shoulder muscle here, on your deltoids. Ready? Excellent. Well done. Just loosen up those arms, those wrists. We're going back to the wall. So we did a normal wall sit before. Now we're going to do a one-legged wall sit. Okay, so here and one leg on top. Okay, that's the next one. Ready? 90 degrees here. Let's go. weird here because I'm just sliding down constantly. Probably have to push a bit harder with my legs. Okay, ready for our other leg? Very good. Here we go. Relax. Oh, well done. Excellent. We're going back to the mat here. Now, this one is called a push-up hold and a low one. You can do it in different stages. We'll do a different one towards the end. So a low push-up hold basically means we're doing a push-up, but we're staying here and we try to hold it here under tension. Okay? If it's too hard, just do it on your knees or stop. Nice one. Stretch. Okay, 3 more to go. Our last one's got a very funny name. Cat vomits. Okay, basically what we're going to do, we're going to suck our stomach in. This is very good for our transversal ab, which is like a net that holds all our intestines in place. And the only way to train it is by sucking in. Okay, so we're here, suck in your belly. Yeah. And hold it. Keep on breathing though. Just suck it in. No space here. Just suck in your belly as much as you can. Keep on breathing. Well done. That's actually one of the very few ways of getting a flat stomach. If you always do your crunches or your sit-ups, your abs might go towards the outside. If you want to keep your belly flat, you have to suck it in, okay? Here. Okay. I think it's also called a vacuum. Just do a vacuum. Okay, our next one, push-up hold again, medium this time. We're just going to go down a tiny bit, not all the way down. Ready? Here. Excellent. Well done. Ready for your last one? Because we're all so amazing. We're all Superman and Superwomen. We're going to do our Superman. Okay? We're going to stretch out completely and hold up our hands, our arms and our legs as high as we can. Keep on breathing. Even though it's difficult because your belly's on the floor, keep on breathing. Last one, everyone. Let's do this. Ready? And relax. Excellent. I really think we have a good mixture there of lower body, upper body, at the front, our abs, our back, our arms as well with all the planks. So well done, I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, for passive stretching now, just follow my lead. One arm up, lean to the side, keep on breathing. With each breath, try to go a bit deeper. And back up, other side. Then we come back. Very good. Feet together. And breathe out. Slowly back up. Open up, hold your hands behind your back, stretch. Slowly back up. Place our hand between our shoulder blades. Push down your elbow, lower triceps, keep on breathing. Other arm. Going down to our knees, forward, moving backwards. Back up. Stretch our abs. And our shoulders and upper back. Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the workout. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below as well, and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification button. That way you always get notified when I post a new video, which is basically every day. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.